Welcome back, guys. This is Getting Cut with Us. I'm Sabrina.
I'm Brittany.
I'm Katie. Today we're going to show you how to make Khao Jee, which is a sticky rice pancake.
So if you watched our video last week on Lao iced coffee, this is a great addition to go with your coffee in the morning for breakfast, especially if you had sticky rice the night before and you have lots of leftover. Now you have a recipe that you can actually use your sticky rice that is bold.
We have our rice, our soy sauce, and our eggs, and that's all you're going to need to get started with this recipe. So we're just going to get started with cracking our eggs into a bowl. Mixture's all finished, and now we're gonna get started making the pancakes. So you're gonna need your day-old rice, and you're gonna just take a chunk out with your hands. Make sure you wash them first, as always with cooking. And you can just form them into a pancake shape. So I just finished molding 4 pancakes, and we're gonna go over and start to fry them. So you're gonna wanna put a little bit of oil on your pan. And you can just dip your patty into this egg mixture. So if you do want your pancakes to be a little bit flatter, I like to push them down a little bit while they're cooking, and this makes them get extra crispy. So keep in mind, this rice is already cooked. You just want to cook it for a few minutes on each side. You're just cooking the egg and making sure the outside gets really crispy.
Okay, so there you have it. Katie made these delicious sticky rice pancakes that we're going to enjoy right now. We're going to eat ours with a little bit of fish sauce, lime, and we cut up some Thai chili peppers. And that's basically it. Now you have a super easy, fast breakfast. Enjoy!
I love how crispy it is. I love it with the fish sauce.
See you next time.